Welcome back to BitcoinDorks. Today, we're diving into some exciting news coming straight from the Ethereum ecosystem. EigenLayer and EigenDA have made their debut on Ethereum, making quite a splash in the crypto world. So, let's jump right into it and explore what these newcomers have to offer. EigenLayer and EigenDA are two groundbreaking projects that have recently launched on the Ethereum blockchain, promising to revolutionize the way we think about decentralized applications, DApps, and blockchain scalability. With their innovative approaches and cutting-edge technologies, these projects are poised to make a significant impact on the future of Ethereum and the broader cryptocurrency landscape. First up, let's talk about EigenLayer. This project aims to address one of the most pressing challenges facing Ethereum today: scalability. As many of you know, Ethereum has faced scalability issues due to its limited transaction processing capacity, leading to network congestion and high transaction fees during peak times. EigenLayer seeks to tackle this problem by introducing a novel Layer 2 scaling solution that leverages optimistic rollups and zero-knowledge proofs to increase the throughput of the Ethereum network dramatically. By offloading transaction processing to Layer 2, while maintaining the security guarantees of the Ethereum mainnet, EigenLayer aims to significantly improve scalability and reduce transaction costs, making Ethereum more accessible and efficient for users and developers alike. With its innovative approach and focus on scalability, EigenLayer has the potential to unlock new use cases and drive the adoption of decentralized applications on the Ethereum platform. Next up, we have EigenDA, short for Eigen Decentralized Autonomous Organization. EigenDA represents a significant advancement in the realm of decentralized governance on the Ethereum blockchain. It serves as a comprehensive platform designed to empower communities to govern themselves in a transparent and decentralized manner, free from the constraints of traditional centralized structures. At its core, EigenDA is a decentralized autonomous organization (DAO) platform that leverages the capabilities of Ethereum smart contracts to facilitate community governance. Through EigenDA, communities can establish and manage their own DAOs, providing a framework for collective decision-making and resource management. This enables members of the community to participate actively in shaping the direction and policies of their organization, fostering a sense of ownership and empowerment among stakeholders. One of the key features of EigenDA is its user-friendly interface and intuitive tools, which make it easy for community members to create and manage their own DAOs. Whether it's a group of enthusiasts organizing around a common interest or a decentralized project seeking to coordinate development efforts, EigenDA provides the tools and infrastructure needed to establish and govern decentralized communities effectively. Within EigenDA, members have the opportunity to participate in various decision-making processes, including voting on proposals and governance initiatives. This democratic approach to governance ensures that all stakeholders have a voice in shaping the direction of the organization, fostering transparency, inclusivity, and accountability. Through the voting mechanism provided by EigenDA, members can express their preferences and opinions on important matters that affect the community. This participatory process allows for collective decision-making, where each member's vote carries equal weight, regardless of their status or position within the organization. By giving every member a say in the governance process, EigenDA promotes inclusivity and ensures that decisions reflect the collective will of the community. EigenDA's democratic governance model enhances transparency by making the decision-making process open and accessible to all stakeholders. Members can view proposals, debate issues, and monitor voting outcomes in real time, allowing for greater visibility into the governance process. This transparency helps build trust among community members and fosters a culture of accountability, as decision-makers are held accountable for their actions and decisions. EigenDA provides mechanisms for resolving disputes and conflicts that may arise within the community. Through transparent arbitration processes and consensus-building mechanisms, EigenDA helps ensure that disagreements are resolved fairly and amicably, preserving the harmony and cohesion of the community. By embracing a democratic approach to governance, EigenDA not only promotes fairness and inclusivity but also strengthens the resilience and sustainability of decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs. This commitment to democratic principles fosters an environment where every member's voice is heard, and decisions are made collectively, ensuring that the interests and values of the community are upheld. Through transparent decision-making processes, EigenDA ensures that all stakeholders have access to relevant information and can participate meaningfully in discussions and debates. This transparency builds trust within the community and fosters a culture of openness and accountability, where leaders are held accountable for their actions and decisions. EigenDA promotes accountable leadership by providing mechanisms for oversight and checks and balances. Leaders are elected by the community and are entrusted with the responsibility of representing the interests of their constituents. However, they are also subject to scrutiny and can be removed from their positions if they fail to fulfill their duties or act against the best interests of the community. EigenDA implements mechanisms for conflict resolution to address disagreements and disputes that may arise within the community. By providing transparent arbitration processes and consensus-building mechanisms, EigenDA ensures that conflicts are resolved in a fair and impartial manner, preserving the harmony and cohesion of the community. By fostering strong, vibrant communities, EigenDA helps DAOs weather challenges and adapt to changing circumstances. Communities governed by EigenDA are better equipped to navigate uncertainties and overcome obstacles, thanks to their collective decision-making processes and resilient governance structures. Overall, EigenDA's commitment to democratic governance strengthens the fabric of decentralized autonomous organizations, making them more robust, inclusive, and sustainable in the long run. As DAOs continue to play an increasingly important role in the decentralized ecosystem, EigenDA sets a high standard for governance practices that prioritize fairness, transparency, and accountability. That's all for today's latest updates and insights.